Hello everyone and welcome to Wayne's Tech and Gaming. Today we are going to be doing a review on the Havit HV-KB562CM keyboard and mouse combo. Here's the jump. Alright everyone, this is the Havit HV-KB562CM keyboard, which is on the Magic Eagle gaming line of theirs. It also comes with a mouse. A few things about this keyboard real quick. The key life is up to 5 million keystrokes. The keys, it's not a mechanical keyboard, it's a membrane switch. And there's a few functions to this keyboard that I'd like to mention. One of them is, let's say if you don't like having your WASD keys over here, all you gotta do is press this button right here and your W key, and it'll switch the WASD keys to go down here. Which myself, I really prefer being up here because, well, yeah, I'm your typical gamer. And also, you've got your media keys up top here. Again, to activate any of these keys, you need to hold FM first. Along with that, you have your backlight button. Sorry, I stutter sometimes. Just press that on and off to do that. Then, if you want to switch it to breathing mode, press FN. Press that. Oh boy, that's really messing with the focus on the camera. But yes, I've noticed that the breathing mode has a little bit of adjustment, but it always goes to this right here. Just pure black for a few seconds before actually coming back again. I would really like to see some continuous breathing on here instead of what you see right here. Let's bring that back. You can also adjust the brightness of your LEDs all the way down to off, of course. And if you press these two controls right here with FN, you also control your breathing speed. But like I said, you'll still have a long pause in between breathing. And I would really like to just see kind of a constant fade in, fade out type deal. That would be a lot better. Let's move on to the gaming mouse. Alright, here is the gaming mouse that comes with the keyboard. The gaming mouse has 6 keys on it. Your DPI key, your 2 clicks here, of course your scroll wheel, and your 2 side buttons. The click life on this thing is up to 3 million clicks. It's got adjustable DPI from 800 to 1200 to 1600 to 2400 DPI. I preferably like to keep it at 1600 DPI. That's what feels best for me. Of course, every user is different. And as you see, it has this nice breathing effect to it, which is a lot better than the actual keyboard. Of course, this is also one of the cheaper things in their line, the mouse and keyboard combo. It's only $30 on Amazon right now. You can change the color scheme on it. Right there, I didn't really do much, but if you hold it down, hold on. Well, it's kind of touchy. There it is. You can change the scheme on it to do this. Move it, it lights up, and then quit moving it, and it turns off. And that's about it for that mouse. Well, for the features at least. A few gripes about the mouse actually. One, the scroll wheel here, I do not like it that much. It's just a little I like it to be kind of more free and not like this. I'll give you a quick demonstration here. This is my Logitech wireless mouse. That's kind of a free spinning wheel, and I really like that. Of course, it's everyone's personal preference, of course. And the side keys here, they do feel a tad spongy. Of course, for $30, what do you expect when buying a mouse and keyboard combo?